Hello, good day ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. And in this video guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to make massive income from Adsterra. So that is what we're going to talk in this particular video, and this page I am is the new account I created for this tutorial purpose, and like for my last tutorial purpose, and you can see little things coming up. So but now let me show you guys how to make money with Pinterest using this perfect method, or let me say this new trick. This trick is what is going to generate high CPC, high CPM, and RPM for you, because the majority of people that are going to visit our ads with this method are going to be people from US, Canada, Australia, and so on. So those kind of people are the targeted traffic that we're going to achieve by using Pinterest. You can also use other this thing to check where is the high traffic is coming on Pinterest. You're going to see it if you use like web blaze, social blaze, and all that. You are going to see that, okay, like smart web and also our similar web. You can also see it on similar web as well. So let's say if I am to check now, example, this is my similar web. If I open it, you are going to see the massive traffic that Pinterest is gaining, and this is where we want to type into this traffic. Okay, you can see it here, like 1.4 billion in the month of August alone. The month of August, 1.4 billion, and the month of July, 1.3 billion, and in the month of June, 1.2 billion. So the traffic keep on getting better, guys. It keep on going up. So you can see it here, that is month of August. So this type of traffic is what we want to type into, and then see how we can able to achieve our revenue from it, or boost our revenue. And if you are seeing the ranking here, the top country is US. You can see it, US. If I click on it, you're going to see the top countries. If I come down here, see the top 5 countries: US, Brazil, Australia, before India and UK. So but now 23.26% are coming from US. That is like almost half are coming to US, or let me say quarter of the traffic are coming from US alone, while other countries split the other traffic. So now we want to type in to this and then gain opportunity, like business opportunity from this, right? So let's dive in, so I show you guys how to achieve this goal. So if this is your first time coming across my video, please do wait to subscribe to my channel so you can receive an update whenever I drop a new video. Let's dive in. First thing, you need to come to Blogger. If you can see here, this is what I taught in my previous video, how to create a Blogger website like this, as you can see here. And you can see ads is showing, every corner ad is showing, and this is what we want to do, right? If you click any of my posts, I think it's going to redirect you to ads before the post open. If you come back here, you'll see the post. You need to click on it again to open the post, right? So when you click on it, the post will open. You can see here, it's loading. So, and ad is going to pop up as well. So ad is going to pop up. You can see the post has opened, but I can see this is ads popping up. So let me close this right now. So this is kind of thing we need right now, right? So what I want you to do now is to go to your Blogger and then post. But what type of product do we need to post? What do we need to post to drive this traffic? That is what a lot of you will be thinking right now. In this particular program, we're going to do something about food and recipe. So you can see we're going to talk about food and recipe. The reason is that food and recipe is eye-catching. People want to click on it. And if you see this is food and recipe here, you can see here, these are food and recipe. So it's eye-catching and very attractive that people want to click, people want to view. Oh man, I wish I'm the one eating this, or does no things, stuff like that. So now inside food and recipe, which particular stuff do we really need? Anything about food anyway, but me, I'm going for meat. I'm going for meat, another recipe, but for now this video I'm going for meat, okay? Because I believe me, I love meat, and I think everybody eats meat. So we're going to use meat. So go ahead and download the pictures from here. We don't really need anything from this, just to drive our traffic to our ads, right? So we just need to download the meat. I have done so. If you have done your own, then go to your blog. This seat here, we are going to post it. You can see my own here. I have posted like 3 and then put in some description. So what you're going to do in just this your description is to come to your what is it called? Come to your ChatGPT. So when you get to your ChatGPT, talk to him, tell him that you want him to analyze, like you're going to upload like one of the meats, okay? So when you upload like one meat, like you can see my example here, you can see what I told, the prompt I gave. So I said I have asked him to analyze my meat and then give me a unique title because I don't have a title. And then you can see here, this is the title. The title is being given to me. I say give me a description. Okay, you can see here, this is the description. I say give me a keyword. Okay, so a keyword which is tag, you can see it here. And I say I want him to separate the tag for me with comma. So when I told him that, you can see it here at the bottom here is being separated. So now we have our title, our description, our tag, right? So what we need to do right now is to copy our title. So I'm going to do so now. Just come down here, highlight it. Please do not click on the copy button you're going to see. Just make sure you highlight. When you highlight on it, then you come down here, paste in your title here, paste in your description, upload your meat, and then scale it to full the screen, okay? Because it's not going to full, but just scale it up a little bit, and then you post like 2 or 3 or 4. So we are going to now publish this, right? We're going to publish it. So before I publish, I don't want my smart link to be much long, so this okay, so this is okay for me for the link. So click save, confirm. So now we have saved it and we have confirmed it, like now it's live. If you view it, if I click view, it's going to show. Now it's not all about just posting this, right? Remember in my previous video, if you have not watched it, please do wait to go and watch that video, because it's going to teach you how to create it, how to link ads to the site, because we want ads to be on it. The reason why we are using this is that instead of using direct link, we want to use this method because people will come to the platform, ads will show to them, pop-up ad will show, they will click, and then we move on from there, right? So that is why direct link will be blocked. I'm going to show you guys in this video the reason why I'm not using direct link, as I've explained, but I'm also going to explain it more better, right? So now this is our post. So we are going to go to Pinterest right now to start. Come to your Pinterest account just like this, click on the post section. Okay, when you click on it, if you're using a mobile phone, you're going to see it. So you want to create a post, right? So you just hit on the create and you're going to see create pin. On this side, you're going to select our meat. So this is what we're going to use. I say, and I'm going to paste in the title in this section. Paste in the title. I go to my ChatGPT to take in the description. I see here, copy the description just like this. Go back to your Pinterest, paste in the description here. So the link, we want to copy our link. You can decide to copy the main website link. You can decide to copy the post link, right? So but in this case, we're going to use the post link. This is the post link, and we're going to use the post link. So I'm going to copy the post link. Come back my Pinterest, the link section. I'm going to paste in the link. So you can see I've pasted the link, but that doesn't end here. I'm going to remove this link to show you guys something, okay? Because the reason why I'm not recommending using this link, because see, this is Adsterra and I've copied my smart link. So if I go down here to paste in my smart links, let's see what is going to happen. You can see it here. Sorry, we block the link, okay? See, because they block the link because it looks too spammy and all that, so the link will be blocked. So that is the reason why I recommend using the blog method. I hope you guys understand now, because I know a lot of people like, why are we going to use that method? So I have tell you the reason why we're using the blog method. So now I'm going to scroll down to copy my tag. So I copy my tag just like that, come down to the tag section, paste it. So I select my board, then click and select. So I have done all this now. I've put in my link. You can I can add it this again. You can say I want to tag a product, but use the link. I can also do this method by putting my link this way as well. But this is the best method. This is what I just showed right now. So come down here to click the publish and wait for the post to be public. So when this post is public, that is all. Now people are going to locate our posts, and then when our posts start doing well, we're also going to be seeing the revenue increasing, guys. That is the simple method. The another bonus tip I would like to share with you is use this particular method that I teach you right now to drive traffic from FB, which is Facebook, to your ads. Okay, so post meet like this, especially Facebook have a lot of audience as well, and this kind of meet will draw people attention. Then when you paste it, write a description with call to action. If you want to see meet like this, if you want to see more meet like this, or you want to learn how to steam meet like this, please click the link in my description or in my comment section. Just something like that, people are going to go to your comment section to click on it, and when they click on it, boom, you earn from your impression, guys. So that is what I have today to teach you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do enjoy this video, please do well to smash the like button, also smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification so you can receive an update whenever I drop a new video. Peace out.